I will show you what to do if your machine is sewing in reverse. Let's lift the presser foot, remove the fabric, lower the presser foot, and we will lower the presser foot lever. Lift it and take it out completely. If we turn the hand wheel, the feed dogs should normally move forward, and we can see that the feed dogs are moving in the opposite direction. It will pull the fabric toward us. The machine will sew, and it will sew as if it were in reverse. This is due to two possible faults that I am going to show you next. The first possible fault is that when we engage the mechanism to backstitch, it can get obstructed for various reasons. The most common are lack of maintenance, lint or dust inside the machine and its internal mechanisms due to a lack of cleaning or general maintenance, since we must remember that the sewing machine works with mechanisms, parts joined together to create movement. These parts work through friction, and if these parts working through friction do not have enough lubrication, this causes the mechanisms to jam, failing to function due to that lack of lubrication and maintenance. We are going to connect the pedal, we are going to press the pedal, and while we press the pedal, we are going to repeatedly activate the reverse lever or reverse button, however you have it on your sewing machines. Continuously while we press the pedal, we are going to activate the reverse button or lever quite a bit. In case the fault in your sewing machine persists, we need to make an internal adjustment to a part called the eccentric, which we must adjust so that the movement of your sewing machine returns to normal. I am leaving the video here for you to see how this type of adjustment is done, since we need to adjust the internal parts. Those would be the only two reasons that prevent the machine from sewing well. It, on the contrary, causes the feet to work in reverse, meaning it pulls the material toward us.